What exactly happened with this dumper that suddenly flipped over? Did some vehicle crash into it? Or did someone hit it from behind? Or maybe an alien came and flipped it over? Okay, jokes apart. This dumper came here to deliver goods. You can clearly see that it's fully loaded. The truck had to reverse a bit and then move forward to this specific spot, right where this man is standing. The driver slowly backs up and then carefully moves forward toward the parking area. Now here comes the twist. If you look closely, there's a drain between the truck and the parking spot. In that drain there's a specific section which is meant to be opened for maintenance from time to time. But the driver ignored this part and continued moving forward. The front tires passed over it without any problem. But when the rear tires came onto that weak point, the heavy pressure caused the drain cover to collapse. Just one small mistake and everything went wrong. As the rear tires sank into the broken section, the truck lost its balance. Because it was carrying a heavy load, the imbalance increased, and within moments, the entire truck flipped over. Thankfully, the driver is safe, and there was no major damage caused by this accident. Conclusion: this incident was mainly caused by poor infrastructure and a lack of attention. The driver should have been more careful, and proper warning signs or barriers should have been placed near the weak drain section. Educational takeaway: whether you are a driver or an engineer, safety always comes first. Never ignore weak spots on the road, and always inspect the area before parking or unloading, especially in heavy vehicles. Small awareness can prevent big accidents.